एवरी मूवी रिक्वायर्स अ बैड गाय, नहीं तो मजा कहां से आएगा, मतलब हीरो किसको मारेगा. So guys, today on our segment we'll talk about the top 5 villains to grace Bollywood. So number 5 on our list, it's none other than Prakash Raj for his role in Singham. Prakash Raj has been doing quite a few roles as a villain in Bollywood lately, but his role in Singham was by far his best performance. He was irritating as well as funny. Villain hai to bhai evil to hoga. He was also cunning, and he was so cunning that he almost became a minister of Goa. But Ajay Devgan ने गोवा और दुनिया को बचा लिया and he made it to number 5 on our list. Number 4 on our list is Sonu Sood from Dabangg. His physicality in the movie, मतलब उसके डोले देखे थे, मतलब क्या हो रहा है? He actually looked like an evil soul. और मेरे हिसाब से I think Sonu Sood is the only guy who can take Salman Khan in a fight. वो actually सलमान खान को हरा सकता है. Sorry भाई लोग के fans. Apart from his physical appearance, उसका कमीनापन was very evident in the movie. So obviously he was acting, but the way he framed मक्खी पांडे और जैसे उसने सलमान की माँ को मारा था, मेरे को बहुत बुरा लगा था. So Sonu Sood's acting in Dabangg makes it to number 4 on our list. सारा शहर मुझे लॉयन के नाम से जानता है. I'm sorry for the poor imitation, but obviously I'm talking about the great Ajit Saab in numerous roles. No one can forget his amazing negative roles in Dawn and Zanjeer. Ajit Saab as a villain was portrayed as a very classy villain. मतलब उनके कपड़े इतने अच्छे होते थे, like white suit, white shoes. उनका और एक favorite dialogue था वो मोना डार्लिंग. So guys, before the Rajnikant and Alok Nath jokes came into existence, Ajit Saab was the guy who was framed all the time for his jokes. His style has been mimicked a lot on stage shows, and it is even now till date. Respect to you, sir. Mogambo, khush hua. Number 2 on our list is Amrish Puri, who played the role of Mogambo in Mr. India. Amrish Puri has acted as a bad guy in a lot of movies, but Mogambo became his identity, and the dialogue Mogambo khush hua stayed with us even though Amrish Puri sir has passed away. Number 1. कितने आदमी थे. Obviously we're talking about the legendary Amjad Khan sir as Gabbar Singh in probably the best movie ever made in Bollywood, which is Sholay. He was so evil that उसने ठाकुर की पूरी फैमिली को मार दिया, ठाकुर के हाथ काट दिए, ये भी नहीं सोचा कि ठाकुर धोएगा कैसे. Sorry, because of his character, bloody Gabbar Singh became a household name, an urban legend, a true legend in Bollywood. I'm sure आपकी मम्मी ने भी डराया होगा, बेटा सो जाने तो गब्बर सिंह आ जाएगा. So guys, this was our top 5, but talking about villains in Bollywood in the same breath would be incomplete if we don't mention Pran Saab. For 4 decades, there was no hero in the industry जिसको प्राण साहब ने नहीं छेड़ा था on screen, और ऐसा कोई हीरो नहीं था जिसे प्राण साहब को मारा नहीं. He was a true legend as well. So guys, this is it from me. I'm Manas. Until next time, bye bye.